Hello, hello. This is Donna Denson, the dynamic diabetic, coming to you today with the Diabetic Minute for everyone who wants to get and stay healthy. And today I want to talk about one of my favorite things, and that's air fryers. Only want to talk about the no-nos, okay? First of all, an air fryer is an awesome tool, guys. Awesome. It allows us to cook foods without all that heavy and harmful oils. And we can reduce our calories 70 to 80% by cooking foods in an air fryer. So it all sounds really good. As a diabetic, I found that it allows me to eat some things I wouldn't be able to eat otherwise, or to fix them in a better way, different way that's tastier to me. But I spent the time to go out and look at recipes for air fryers, okay? So that I knew I was doing the right things, the right time, because things can come out bad. If you don't do that, things can come out bad. The first thing would be like any food that has a batter. Guys, the batter's just going to slide off and make a mess. Huge mess, by the way. Frozen things that have a batter, that would be okay because they're frozen and they don't have that liquid to them anymore. Vegetables, you have to be really careful with all kinds of vegetables. Like leafy vegetables, they're just going to get soggy. They're going to get yucky and nasty. And others are going to burn and dry out. So again, the recipe becomes really important that you're looking for an air fryer recipe. Roasted Brussels sprouts in the air fryer are amazingly delicious. And yet some people have a really hard time because they always burn. So find the recipe. Cheese, unless it's enclosed in something like a mozzarella stick, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to melt all over everywhere, and you're going to be left with a nasty, nasty mess. Now, some of this seems common sense to me, but I think sometimes in our eagerness to try something new, to use something new, to be creative, we might forget a little bit. Rice and pasta, they don't cook so well in the air fryer. No, they don't. But you might cook them in the normal way and then add them to something in your air fryer. That might work. I have seen all these ads for air fryers. It says big enough to put a whole chicken, right? Or a whole roast. Well, don't do that. Because a whole chicken or a whole roast, it's almost impossible to get that cooked evenly through to be good for you. So if you want to cook a whole chicken, cut it in pieces. If you want to cook a whole roast, cut it in pieces, and then it will cook evenly and nicely for you. The air fryer is beautiful, okay? And I really love it. I do chicken wings in it with no batter, but they'll crisp up. They're just really nice, guys. And I don't have all that oil. I don't have all those calories. I'm eating healthy. Last thing I want to say is some people think because an air fryer uses air, like a food dehydrator uses air, that they can dehydrate food in the air fryer. Well, the caution there is that the air power in your air fryer is much stronger than in that dehydrator, so the food is just going to fly around. So if you wanted this nice little layer of fruit dried out, that's not what you're going to end up with. You can do it if you can figure out a way to keep everything positioned. An air fryer can dehydrate for you, but it's a little tricky. So you want to make sure that you have tested and tried and know what you're doing before you waste all your good fruit or whatever. Okay? This is kind of a little bit of a different diabetic minute today, but sometimes we need to consider the other parts of the story, and we're going to do that a couple of days this week. And the air fryer is one of those things that I highly recommend on everything I do, and everybody I talk with, I say, the air fryer is your friend. You can use it. It's fast and it's healthy. But find the recipe, guys. Google, Pinterest, any of those places is going to have bunches of recipes for you that are going to be air fryer friendly, and you won't make those mistakes. That's my little bit of happy for today, is how to use your air fryer, guys. Love it, love it, love it. I hope I found you safe today. I hope I found you well. And I always hope I find you happy. Please share the video, share the message, subscribe wherever you're listening. This is Donna Denson, the Dynamic Diabetic. Thank you for being here. May God bless and keep you till we connect again. Go find some good recipes. Bye-bye.